When I ask people about their favourite productivity tip, I get some interesting responses. I believe productivity starts before we even touch technology. It starts in our head every day and every time we reset after an interruption, break or a meeting. We can't be productive if we aren't able to mentally apply ourselves. I'm a big believer in meditation for productivity, or quiet thinking time if you prefer that language. When I first started meditating, I got really angry at myself. My mind would not stop chattering. I gave up on it several times, but after attending a yoga class and doing some meditation at the end, I was hooked. I recognize some days my meditation isn't as effective as others. Some days my mind is chattering, but now most days I find myself coming out of the meditation feeling ready to start the day or recharged if a meeting or activity has been stressful. I have a 10-minute meditation I do every morning without fail. It's part of my morning habits. I know when I don't do it, which is pretty rare now, I don't feel as calm or as grounded as normal. If you've not tried meditation before, I encourage you to leave your judgment of yourself and or the process at the door and give it a try.